Imagine the heavy world outside suddenly falling quiet the moment you cross your threshold. True inside design isn't just about the furniture we choose. It's about the atmosphere we curate and the peace we protect. Today on Hamburlung Studio, we are embarking on a journey of sculpting silence, where we transform a chaotic entryway into a meditative farmhouse mudroom that acts as a sanctuary for the soul. The heartbeat of this transformation lies in the materials we've rescued from the forgotten corners of industry. We are working with the raw, rugged elegance of reclaimed slate, stone that has weathered decades and now finds a new purpose under our feet. By blending the organic warmth of traditional farmhouse aesthetics with the intentionality of modern minimalism, we are proving that luxury is found in the textures of the earth and the stories of the salvaged. As we peel back the layers of this design process, you'll see how every shadow and stone is placed with a deeper purpose. This isn't just a how-to video, it's an invitation to rethink your relationship with the spaces you inhabit. Let's dive into the art of sustainable luxury and discover how to build a home that breathes with you, starting with the quiet power of reclaimed slate and a vision for a more intentional way of living. The soul of the slate. Imagine stepping away from the chaotic rhythm of the modern world and crossing a threshold into total tranquility. That is the essence of inside design. It isn't just about what looks good, it's about how a space makes you feel the moment you enter. Today, we are sculpting silence by transforming a utilitarian entryway into a meditative farmhouse mudroom. The heartbeat of this project is the use of reclaimed slate, a material that carries the weight of history and the coolness of the earth. By choosing salvaged stone over new builds, we are grounding our home in sustainability while elevating the aesthetic to a high-end, curated level. This isn't just a mudroom, it's a transition zone for the soul. merging farmhouse warmth with stone coolness. To achieve that iconic farmhouse look without leaning into clichés, we have to play with the tension of textures. We are pairing the rugged, raw edges of the reclaimed slate with the soft, organic warmth of natural wood. In the world of inside design, this is where the magic happens, where the industrial weight of stone meets the rustic charm of the countryside. We aren't just laying floors, we are composing a visual poem. The slate provides a muted, matte palette that absorbs the light, creating a hushed atmosphere that immediately signals your brain to slow down and breathe. From salvage to sanctuary. The how-to of this design relies on intentionality. When working with reclaimed slate, the first step is honoring the irregularities. We are hand-sorting each piece to ensure the tonal shifts create a natural flow. As we build out the farmhouse cabinetry, we focus on deep, moody hues that complement the slate's natural charcoal and deep blue undertones. This specific inside design strategy ensures that every hook, bench, and stone tile serves the broader goal, a meditative sanctuary. By treating the mudroom as a sculpted gallery rather than a storage closet, we turn a discarded material into the centerpiece of the home. Redefining the entryway experience. Why a meditative farmhouse mudroom? Because the transition from the outside world into your private life should be sacred. Through clever inside design, we've hidden the clutter behind seamless panels, allowing the reclaimed slate to be the primary voice in the room. This style borrows from the minimalist movement but keeps the cozy, lived-in heart of farmhouse decor. It's about creating a space that asks nothing of you. When you drop your keys and kick off your boots, the silence of the stone and the order of the design provide an immediate sense of relief. Join the design journey. Transforming a home is a journey, and I want us to take every step together. If you believe that inside design should be as sustainable as it is beautiful, and if you found inspiration in our reclaimed slate transformation today, then you belong here in our community. Creating a meditative farmhouse isn't just a DIY project, it's a lifestyle. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like if you love high-end upcycling, and share this with someone who is looking to turn their trash into a masterpiece. Your support allows us to keep exploring the intersection of luxury and sustainability. Comment below with your favorite part of this mudroom. I can't wait to hear your thoughts. today's episode, we've seen how the strategic use of reclaimed slate can redefine the energy of an entire home. By focusing on the principles of inside design, we've successfully merged the rustic charm of farmhouse decor with a meditative, high-end sensibility. We explored how textures, from the coolness of the stone to the warmth of the wood, work together to sculpt silence, turning a simple mudroom into a profound transition zone that honors both sustainability and style. Thank you for being part of the Hamburlung studio journey as we continue to breathe new life into forgotten materials. If you felt inspired by this meditative farmhouse transformation, please hit the like button and share this video with someone who values sustainable beauty. Don't forget to subscribe and join our growing community of creators who believe that great design should have a soul. Leave a comment below letting me know which part of the slate's texture spoke to you most. I'll see you in the next project.